In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Bing Copilot Search. To get started, open Bing in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a look near the search bar. You should see the Copilot icon there. This is the feature that gives you access to Bing's AI-powered assistant and helps you search in a more interactive way. Go ahead and click on the Copilot icon. As soon as you do that, Copilot will open for you. Depending on how your Bing page is displayed, it may appear as a side panel or as a dedicated chat area on the screen. Either way, this is where you'll be able to interact with Copilot and use its search-focused tools. Now that Copilot is open, look inside the chat box area. You'll find a drop-down menu there. This menu is important because it lets you choose how Copilot responds. Click on that drop-down menu and set it to search. Once you do that, you're ready to use Microsoft Bing Copilot Search. That's really all there is to the setup. After switching the mode to search, Copilot is configured to help you find information more directly through Bing. This can be useful if you want a more guided search experience instead of just typing into a standard search bar. It's especially helpful when you want quick summaries, clearer results, or a more conversational way to explore a topic. If you don't immediately see the Copilot icon, make sure you're on the Bing homepage and that the page has fully loaded. In some cases, the layout may look slightly different depending on your browser or updates to Bing, but the process is still the same. Open Bing, click the Copilot icon, find the menu in the chat box, and switch it to search. A good tip here is to make sure you actually confirm that the selected mode says search before you begin typing. That way you'll know Copilot is set up for the type of experience you want. If it's on another mode, the responses may be formatted differently, and that's how to use Microsoft Bing Copilot Search. Once you've opened Copilot and changed the drop-down setting to search, you can begin using it right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.